Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at obviously top 3 altcoins to buy right now. So what is going on in the past 24 hours? Well, the market is up about 0.82%. We've had a green weekend, which is, a positive sign, obviously. We have some, great things going on in the market right now. Volume is definitely picking up on Bitcoin, almost at 40 billion right there for the volume. So Bitcoin trading at around $52,455 per coin, which is, hitting the highs right now for the past month or so. Ethereum right around that 3,900 to 4,000 area. It's been bouncing back and forth for the past 2 or 3 days. Then we have the rest of the market either down a little bit or up a little bit with some outliers like Solana, guys. Solana is still on this bullish run, which is awesome to see, obviously. It was trading at $30 about a month and a half ago when we talked about it. We talked about that $100 resistance. We broke through it, consolidated. We even took some profits, but it just continues to go on higher. So it is up about 14.5% on this chart right here. So Solana still rocketing. So, it's winning. W's in the chat, guys. W's in the chat for Solana. Doge down about 1.8%, always taking an L, but everything else is either up 1% or 2 or down a little bit. It depends on which coin we're looking at, obviously. So, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 200 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. We're aiming for 50,000 subscribers. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description for that as well. So let's get into it. So the first altcoin on our list is going to be FTX Token, FTT. So this one, if we take a look here on the 24-hour chart, it is actually up about 18.66%. It is trading at $74.55. It was trading at $62 just about 24 hours ago. Now, on the 1-week chart, it is up 56%. Absolutely rocketing, guys, in the past 24 hours, in the past week as well. On the 1-month chart, this one's still performing very well, up over 86% or so, which is great, obviously, as all of these altcoins have been booming for about a month and a half now. On the 1-year chart, this coin is up over 1,937%. We saw it here in July. It was trading at around $24. Ever since then, this coin has pretty much went up 200%. So it's up about 200% in the past month and a half. So it's, absolutely destroying it. Here, if we take a look at May 11th, May 10th, all-time high was around $60 per coin, and now we're trading at over $74, $75. So we destroyed that all-time high that we were at, just about 3 or 4 months ago. We destroyed that all-time high and continue to go on higher. Now, market cap on FTX token right now is around 7 billion, and as with the market cap, the volume is around 2 billion, and then the circulating supply is 94.3 million. So this coin is on an absolute, rampage right now with the 7 billion market cap. It still has plenty of room for upside, obviously, as there's coins trading at, 100 billion market cap. So this one is still on the lower side compared to some of these other coins. But obviously, it's not considered a low cap coin. It's considered a mid cap coin, so medium cap coin right there. And obviously, usually there's patterns. So as the large cap coins go, the mid cap and the low cap coins tend to follow the same pattern. And that's something that we're looking at with FTX token right now to see if it's going to follow the same pattern as these other altcoins are in the future. So this one definitely has some potential to watch for the next few weeks, the next few months. So add it to your radar and see what happens in the long term. So that is our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be right here. It's going to be Algo. So Algo is Algorand. So Algorand is up about 10% on the 24-hour chart right now. If we take a look, it is trading at $1.44. In the past week, it is up about 40% as it was trading at around $1 or so. So it's up, huge, even hitting highs at 149 at one point. On the 1-month chart, this coin is up about 68%, doing very well. 1-year chart, 284%. Now, what I like to see about this chart is it had an all-time high here in February at 186. Hit a, kind of a resistance at 170, couldn't break it. Hit another resistance here at around 158, couldn't break through it. So the highs got lower, and now we're skyrocketing up. Boom, boom, boom. Now we're looking to break through the resistance areas, the 150, 160, 170 area, and then obviously towards that all-time high at $2. That's what we're looking for. This coin was trading at around 70 cents in July, so it's up over 100% since then, which is a great bull run right there, as we've seen with, many altcoins, which is great. 5.2 billion market cap, volume in the past 24 hours at 559.1 million. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Algorand, Algorand is a cryptocurrency and blockchain protocol that aims to be scalable, secure, and decentralized all at the same time. It uses a consensus algorithm called pure proof of stake. So that is very interesting with Algorand and how it's performing. Obviously, with the 5.2 billion market cap, it is one of those mid-cap coins, but it still has plenty of room for upside, just like we talked about FTX, the previous coin on our chart. Pretty much same thing. It still has room for potential, even though it's trading around at 5 to 10 billion market cap. Still plenty of room for growth, and that's why we are adding it to our list. We don't want to be looking at coins that are already, at 50 billion, 100 billion market cap, because it is going to be harder for those coins to do a 100% gain or 200% gain compared to these lower cap coins, which can go up faster. So this is going to be our second one on the list. And then the third altcoin on the list is going to be Stellar Lumens. This one we've talked about many times on the channel. XLM, doing very well. It is up about almost 5% in the past 24 hours, trading at 41 cents. In the past week, it's up 25%. All we've seen is up, up, up. So this one's been up, up, up from about 33 cents all the way to 41 cents now in the past week. On the 1 month chart, it is up about 45%, but we have been trading around this level for about a month or so, which is good. A lot of consolidation right there, and if this bull market continues, this one could skyrocket on up and continue to go higher, which is a positive sign because Ethereum did a very similar thing just in the past week. On the 1 year chart, it is up about 425%. It was trading at 8 cents last year. Hit highs here in May at 80 cents. So from the 41 cents area that we're at right now, there's about a 100% upside potential just to get back to the all-time highs that we were at May and then potentially continue on higher. In July, we were trading at 21 cents. It is up about 100% or so in the past month or so. So that is a very positive thing as well for Stellar Lumens. Obviously all these altcoins are up about 100, 200, 300%, depending on the coin. Most of them are following the same pattern. They're not all exactly that much, but some of them are a little bit lower. But most of them are up very, very huge in the past month. Market cap 10.1 billion, volume right there at 1.7 billion. Now Stellar's cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumen XLM, powers the Stellar payment network. Stellar aims to connect banks, payment systems, and individuals quickly and reliably. So we've covered that in the past. What do you guys think about Stellar Lumens? Do you guys think this is a coin that could potentially, 2x, 3x, 4x in the future? Leave a comment below letting me know if you're actually holding any Stellar Lumens XLM in your portfolio. And what do you guys think about this one? So that's going to be our third altcoin. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market and see how everything is performing. Like we said, some things are down a little bit, some things are up. Everything's pretty much around the flat area with some outliers like Solana. So let's take a quick look at Solana, because this is a coin that we've been covering for a few months now, and we just want to cover it real quick and just take a look at what's going on. Like we said, it's up about 14% at that 165 area. In the past week, it's up 75%, guys. This is insane. If you would have invested $1,000 in Solana, it would be up about $750 profit just in about a week. On the 1 month chart, 342%, guys. That is insane. 342%. That means $1,000, you'd be up over $3,000 profit right now in a matter of a month. That is insane. It was trading at $39. We were talking about this coin for months now down here when it was trading in the 30s. So we pretty much predicted it from the 30s all the way up to the highs. We destroyed the all-time highs here in May at $55. We went up, 2 times higher than that actually right now, and it's continuing to run. Now, the thing we have to be very careful with Solana is obviously it might be a little bit overbought right now with this huge hype, and it could sell off at any moment, and I would not be surprised if that happens very soon. So be very, very careful, guys. 47.3 billion market cap right now. Dogecoin, guys, next up. Doge, pretty much, flat. It's been just going sideways for the past month or so. It's down about 1.5%. In the past week, it's up 12%. But on the 1 month chart, as you can see, since about August 15th or so, we've been trading at these levels. So we've been trading at these levels for about a month, in the 30s or so. In the past year, over 10,000%, obviously, because of the whole hype that happened with, Elon Musk, Bitcoin, SNL show, and all these other things that made this one kind of pump on up and sell off now. And people believe they're going to make a lot of money in the future. But I personally don't think the Doge is ever going to get to those highs ever again. 40.7 billion market cap on Doge. Actually Solana is a higher market cap right now than Doge, which is actually pretty impressive by almost 6.5 billion or so. Then we have Bitcoin, guys, up about 1%. Very nice. It did hit lows down here about 51,000 on Monday. Continue to go higher. Now, on the 1 week chart, it's up about 7.5%. We're hitting highs, guys, and we're actually not very, very far from the all-time highs now. It's looking juicy, guys. I would not be surprised to see, all-time highs very soon. 52,000. Meanwhile, the all-time high was around 64, 65,000. We're very, very close. On the 1 month chart, we're up 28%. 1 year chart, 411%. We went from lows down here about 29,000. From 29,000 to 52,000. We're up about $23,000 on this one in about a month and a half, which is nice. Market cap 978.4 billion, guys. We're almost at that 1 trillion market cap once again. What's it going to take? We need to probably reach around, what, 54, 55,000. I think once we reach around that 55,000 area, it should break through that 1 trillion market cap, which is going to be huge. So definitely exciting to see Bitcoin on this, move on up in the recent weeks. So that's definitely nice. Ethereum's doing very well, guys. Obviously, right now it's looking a little bit, red, but in the 1 week chart, it is up about 20%. It's been explosive, guys. Here we saw it go from about 3,700 all the way to highs of about 4,000 very quickly. In the past month, 37%. Past year, 1,000%, guys, from lows of 1,700 to highs now at 3,900. Over $2,000 profit, over 100% profit in the past month and a half. Now, all-time highs here is obviously at 4,400, and we're looking forward to breaking through that high. Same with Bitcoin. So Ethereum and Bitcoin creeping up on their previous all-time high in May, and they're looking like they might break it very, very soon. Could September be the month of the crypto bull run all-time highs? Well, you guys are going to have to let me know in the comments below, because I'm not sure and nobody really knows, but we could predict things, and I believe that, September could be a very, very nice month for crypto. So let's break these all-time high, guys. 463.8 billion market cap, looking very, very juicy. So what do you guys think is going to happen in the crypto market in the near future? Leave a comment below. Smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 200 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're aiming for 50,000 subscribers. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. And also, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing into the crypto space or the stock world, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand that there's a high risk, high reward type situation when investing, and don't invest something that you're not sure about. As always, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.